All right, hey, today we're going to work on folding laundry. All right, I guarantee if you fold laundry at home, mom will love you forever. So that's why we're going to be practicing it here. We do laundry here, and I would love for you guys to do laundry at home. All right, so if you have a pile of laundry, the first thing you need to do is sort it. You don't always have the same items in the same laundry load. Sometimes things will go to one room and not the other, so you need to make sure you separate those. At school, we have cleaning supplies, we have clothes that need to get washed. So we're gonna separate into different types, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do, anything that looks like a towel or a rag, I'm gonna move over here. So I'm going through my pile. Oh, rag goes over here. Now I got my clothes. Okay, so I'm gonna put jeans here. And then, okay, that looks like it's jeans, and shirt, socks. Okay, so I got everything separated. I got pants, shirts, socks, towels. At home, it might not look like that. At home, you might have only one type of item. And if you don't have multiple types, then your sorting's easy, all right? So now I'm gonna fold the towels, all right? So I like to keep them by size, all right? If mom wants to do it differently, she'll tell you how to do it. But at school, we have big towels, little towels, and rags, okay? So here I got a rag. It's a little beat up, and that's okay. So we're gonna fold it nice and neat, okay? Rags, it's a big towel. Now, if you remember, when we fold, you like to bring them corner to corner. And the way I do that, if you guys saw that, I like to use my chin if it's too big for me. Corner to corner, I pull it with this hand so it's nice and tight. Corner to corner. If you guys have a different way of doing it, that's okay, it just needs to look nice. Okay, so there's my towel, all right? This looks like a big towel, so this will go in the same pile. Corner to corner. This is a long towel, so we're gonna fold it over like that. And then we'll fold it over again. All right, so 2 towels done. I'm gonna stack them nice and neat, okay? They don't need to be perfect, but they should look kind of nice. All right, I'm gonna fold them corner to corner. This is a little towel. Fold it over. I'm gonna fold it over one more time. All right, I've got my piles. I got my big towels, my medium towels, and my rags. All right, so I'm gonna pick them up. Now at home, the rags might go to the bathroom, it might go to the kitchen, it might go somewhere else. Make sure you put them in the right place. At school, we have them all kind of go to the same place. All right, now I'm gonna fold my jeans, okay? So I like to pick it up so you can see the waist up here, and you can see the feet down here. All right, and I like to fold them in half. Waist at the top, feet at the bottom. I'm gonna take the feet and fold them up like this because I'm standing, it's easy. Now, if you want, you could also use the table. All right, so you could lay it flat on the table, grab the feet, and fold it up to the waist, okay? If I was standing, I could do it like this, fold it up to the waist. If I put it down on the table, fold it up to the waist. Now I'm gonna grab one end and fold it up to the top. There you go, looks nice and neat. All right, here's the other pair of jeans. You get the waist at the top, fold it in half, hold the waist. If I put it down on the table, remember, I'm gonna fold it, the feet up to the waist, grab the one end, fold it up to the top. There you go, okay? Should have a nice neat pile, all right? Now, for doing shirts, there's a lot of different ways to do shirts. So if you have a different way to do shirts, that's okay. I just want it to look nice, all right? So I like to have shirts with the neck at the top. I'm holding each arm. I'm gonna put it down on a table. I like to use tables for this. It's a little harder, but I will fold over half. So the shirt is now cut in half, essentially. Then I'll fold the arms over like that. And then I'll fold it like that. So it should look something like this, all right? Now, like I said, there are other ways to do this. At school, we also have the folding tools to make it a little easier. Whichever way works, I'm not picky. I just want it to look nice. And at home, you may not even fold shirts. Sometimes you just hang them. All right, fold the sleeves. Fold it half. There we go. All right. Now we're left with socks. Now I have a question for you. Should I fold this sock like this? I don't think you need to. Okay. But what you do need to do with socks, separate them out so you can see them. You want to put the pairs together. All right. At school, we put the pairs together. You put one sock inside the other. You're going to put this one in here. It's going to make a nice little ball. See? One sock inside the other. We'll do that again. Now at home, if you do it differently, that's okay. But at school, when you have a pair of socks, you take one sock and put it inside the other. And this poor guy, he's all by himself. So you can put him with the other socks and hope you find the match. So, before we wrap up, I want to ask a couple questions. When I'm folding towels, do I just crumple it up and put it how I want, or do I do corner to corner? Which one? Right, corner to corner. All right, when I'm folding my jeans, can I use the table, or do I have to do it standing? You could do either or. You could do the table or standing. All right, it's probably going to be easier for the table. All right, guys, see you later. Have a good day. Bye.